And now for problem number 28, which proceeds with the problem: find the vehicle that have been rented out for the longest cumulative duration, include the vehicle name, type, and the total rental days. With the SQL code being shown right here, I will now proceed to explain the query. This query identifies the vehicles that rented out for the longest cumulative duration, including the vehicle name, type, and the total rental days. And the query works with this. First, selecting the columns. VModel as vehicle name, which retrieves the name or model of each vehicle. Then next is the VT type name as vehicle type, which retrieves the type of the vehicle. Example given is sedan or SUV. Then the sum dated or the date, which calculates the number of days a vehicle was rented for each transaction using datediff. And if the rental hasn't been returned, which is date time returned is null, the query uses current date to calculate the ongoing rental period. And the duration of all rentals for each vehicle are summed to compute the total rental days. Next is the joining table, which is rental underscore details is joined with maintenance details via maintenance details ID to link rental to vehicle maintenance data. Next is the vehicle details via vehicle details ID to access the details of rented vehicles. Next is the vehicles via vehicle ID to retrieve the vehicle name or the model. Next is the vehicle type via vehicle type ID, which is to identify the type of each vehicle. Next is the grouping and aggregation, which is grouped by vehicle ID and the type name, which groups the result by each vehicle and its type to calculate cumulative rental days for each vehicle that has been rented. Then, the sorting results, which is ordered by total rental days descending, which ensures the output that is sorted in descending order of cumulative rental days, listing the vehicles rented for the longest time first. Then, the result. The query will provide the vehicle name, the name of the model of the vehicle type, the type of the vehicle, and finally, the total rental days, which is the total number of days that the vehicle has been rented across all rental transactions. With this, it concludes that this query is for identifying the most utilized vehicle that is in the fleet based on the rental duration. With the explanation being done, I will now show you the output for this SQL query code, which will be presented right here. And with that would be problem number 28, and we will now move on to the next problem, problem number 29.